Woo! It works. God damn it. That's crazy.
Okay, so I got myself a new toy here. That's the Ninja Kawasaki Ninja 300. Probably it might be an engine fault. So the person I got it from said it wasn't running, but we're gonna do something about it. Moment of truth.
On the mission and get high up, I know that I'ma die. Reaching for a lot that I don't really need at all. Never listen to replies, learn the lesson from the wise. You should never take advice from a nigga that ain't tried. They said I wouldn't make it out alive.
So not a lot of problems on this bike though. If you look at it, if you look at the bike from afar, it's a very nice bike, you know. It has that kind of aggressive look, you see. And I always love bikes that looks like that has that animal features, you know. But we have a small problem. I think there's a problem with the seal, with the absorbers here also. Yeah, we'll do something about it. I think this bike has been sitting down for quite a long time. So then we're gonna make some changes with the brakes also. Yeah, whole lot of stuff. Check. No battery. We don't have a battery in the bike, so I guess we'll have to get a battery. Oh, it's a lovely bike though. And this one is also broken. Circuit is broken, so and a couple of stitches that we need to do on the body. So this part is broken. This part is also broken. Oh crap. Then the tank also. But apart from all this small stuff, the bike looks clean though. Yeah, apart from all this stuff, the bike looks clean. So we'll try and get some battery in the bike, and then we'll see if it runs. Alright, so we go. I'll try and get a new battery, and then let's try and see if it turns. By the way, we have a 250 model here. That's a 250 model. And then we're working on the engine. We have the engine split up here. Yeah, this battery seems okay. No, just a cooler battery. Okay. So I'll try and install the battery, and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Now we have a new battery installed. So okay. So Brian, come on. Okay.
It works. God damn it.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So try and start it again. Try and start. Masa. Okay. Lights. Everybody lights. I'm saying parking.
Okay guys, so this will be it for today. We'll try and strip down the whole bike in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you.